If you're considering selling your home in Greenville, make sure you watch this video. It could cost you thousands. According to NAR, for the month of August, inventory is up 5.5% in the Greenville MLS. So if you're considering selling, last month, the inventory doubled. It went up 100%. So the great news is that it's just 2.8 months inventory, which is still a seller's market, but we're headed back. Things are moderating, so we're headed back to a normal market, which could cost you thousands. Went on a listing appointment yesterday. They weren't looking to list until probably May of next year. Well, knowing that in May of next year they'll have more competition, I suggested they go on ahead and put it on the market now, because, you know, hopefully we will make them more money and it would offset if they even had to rent. So now's a good time if you're going to put your house on the market. If you are a buyer looking to purchase in the Greenville market right now, it is a great time. And if your perfect home isn't on the market right now, it will be in the next few months because more houses are coming to the market. If you're thinking of buying or selling, make sure you contact us at 864-895-9791.